Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This video is all about yoga for the inflexibles. So let's get started. First exercise is for the hamstrings. You can try doing it with a belt or resistance band. This exercise is great for people who have tight hamstrings. Second one is for the inner thighs. This exercise helps to reduce the inner thigh fat. The third and last one is the side stretch exercise. We can do this exercise in two ways. First is this one. This exercise is great for back stiffness and people who have side fat. This is the second method to do this exercise. Please do not rush in the exercises and try to do one thing at a time. If you like our videos, then please do subscribe, like and share our videos.